The 2011 Lincoln MKT. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT standard 6 airbags and Advanced Track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.